banana fruit or banana blossom. So this morning I followed my father to pick this banana fruit. Okay, I'm going to introduce a little bit about this banana blossom. So here in Sarawak, this banana blossom is one of the Malay traditional fruit, and my own ethnic also we love to eat this banana fruit. So today my menu is banana blossom fried with chili. What are the ingredients that we're gonna use? So here's some of the red onion. We have garlic. We have chili. We have anchovies and banana fruit, or we call it banana blossom. The first step, we have to remove the skin. So we cut here first. Okay, so this is how it's look after we peel off the skin just now. So here we cut the bottom, and then we cut into two pieces like this. Cut it into smaller pieces, and then we put into the water. Cut it. Cut it slide like this. Okay. After the water boil, so we're gonna put our banana blossom in the fruit. And let's cook around 3 to 4 minutes. So here we have our cooking oil. Put our cooking oil, our red onion, our garlic. So we mix it together. Our anchovies just now. Mix it with the garlic and onion. And lastly, our chili. Last but not least, our banana blossom. Put all together. Don't forget to put our seasoning. Mix it. So we're gonna wait around 2 to 3 minutes until it's okay. After 3 minutes, our banana blossom already cooked. So let's take it. So let's try our banana blossom. Very nice, but a little bit spicy because this now I put a lot of chili inside. Delicious. So I hope you guys can try this at home because it's very easy to make. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye!